Hello, boys and girls. It is Daniel WIAFE with Vegas Divorce Pros. We are your one-stop shop for getting a divorce out here in Nevada, Las Vegas. Whether you need something done in regards to divorce, family law, annulment, legal separation, we are your people and we can help you. Make sure you go to vegasdivorcepros.com. Go to the link that's right below my finger or above me, and we can get you a free price estimate on what your divorce or other legal matter will cost. All right. But that being said, you guys, let's talk about a question that one of my previous clients had earlier today. So basically, they split apart from their spouse and they hadn't seen their spouse in a few years, I believe about 4 or 5 years. And so their question to me was, Daniel, how do I know that I'm still married? Okay, is there any way that I can search and find out if I'm still married? And do I even need to go get a divorce, right? And so, like I tell everybody, you guys, right? So we're not attorneys, so none of the things that we tell you, whether it's on the phone or even on this video, is legal advice, all right? We're legal document preparers, all right? But that being said, my advice to that person was this, okay? Do all the sleuthing that you can do in whatever county that you believe your ex-spouse would have lived at. Because for you to do a divorce, you need to do a divorce in the county, the state that one of you guys are a resident of, all right? So if you live in Alabama and your husband, wife lives out here in Nevada, you can get a divorce out in Alabama if you meet residency requirements out there, or you can get a divorce out here in Nevada if you meet residency requirements, okay? Now, that being said, check the marriage records departments, vital records, whatever it is, it's called different things in different counties. Check with them to see if there was a divorce there, right? If there's a divorce on record. Now, if you do all the searching and you're not able to find any record of you being divorced from your spouse, all right, then it just may be advantageous for you to just go ahead and get a divorce, because you don't want to be that person that's in the situation where 10, 15 years down the line or 5 years down the line, you're still married to that person that you thought you were divorced from. And you're in a crazy situation because you found that loved one that you want to get, that new person that you want to get married to. And obviously, you don't want to be a bigamist. You don't want to be married to one person and get married to the new person and not know about that, right? Very bad things can happen because of that. Or you don't want to be that person where, let's say you accumulate a lot of property and assets, okay? Maybe you accumulate, get a bunch of businesses or property, real estate, cryptocurrency, right? And you actually got some money, all right? I can tell you this, you guys, that people will come out of the woodwork if they're still married to you for their piece of the pie. And it's called community property, all right? So that being said, you guys, if I'm in your shoes and I haven't seen my spouse in years and I'm unsure if I'm still married to them, I'm not sure if they got a divorce on their own or not. Number one, I'm going to check the records and see in whatever county I last saw them in, okay, or I last believe they resided in. I'm going to check those county records, see if there was a divorce that went through. And if not, I would just get the divorce, okay, just to be on the safe side. All right. So it's one of those things where you either pay me now or you pay later, you know? So again, Daniel WIAFE, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are needing help with a divorce, a legal separation, and annulments, any other type of legal matter for that most part, you guys, we can help you with your document preparation and filing. Go to vegasdivorcepros.com or to the link that's below or above this video. Peace and God bless you guys.